Welcome back to my channel. So I know that I have been posting like my videos for a longer period, but today I'm here with a new video which is about a brand's new launch in the realm of oral beauty, and I am super excited to share that with you, my experience with you. So to be honest, you know that when it comes to the oral care, we often do the same thing, like brushing the teeth regularly, etc., right? So but there are certain routines and which we are aware about it, but still there are people who are aware about it. They used to do the proper way of doing their oral care and everything, but still you can see there are stains, there are discoloration in their teeth, and especially if you are a coffee lover just like me, okay, which is why this is amazing that this is a true kind of product that has been a game changer for me. And you know, the healthy teeth is really important, but a healthy teeth with a whitening teeth, like a white healthy teeth, that is literally more important. It will give you a radiant look. Okay, so in today's video I'll be talking about how I got my radiant smile with this brand new product. And this is a revolutionary product by Colgate Visible O2 toothpaste.
Guys, I really can't stop praising this toothpaste enough, and this one is truly a kind of launch that definitely first in India, and it is absolutely redefined the space of oral beauty. And you know that it's best and the most effective at home teeth whitening solution.
But let me give you the more details in depth with the review of this toothpaste.
So this toothpaste is literally made up of very unique formula, and it's a breakthrough unique active oxygen based tooth whitening technology, and that harnesses the power of millions of active oxygen molecules provided, and you know that you will get a never before brushing experience also, I can guarantee. And I heard that using this daily, like 3 days, like morning and night, you will get rid of this stains over your teeth. So I thought I will give it a try. And what next? I used it like in morning and night for 3 days, and it was so happy with the experience and the outcome. With years of research and backing the product, it is completely enamel safe. And when I started brushing the teeth, and I got a slightly warm effect in my mouth, and it's totally different and new. Suddenly I thought, what happens? Then I understand that it's a gentle wave of ultra fine whitening foam, which means that the active oxygen is doing its work. So these millions of oxygen bubbles get absorbed on the enamels and makes the teeth brighter and healthier, and give you a very good smile. And guess what? It is vegan and gluten free too.
Oh my god, I just can't believe that I just got such a beautiful smile with such a this result in just 3 days, right? And what to say, like I'm literally thankful to Colgate for such a gem of a product.
And absolutely love the packaging. It is 100% recyclable and making it literally good for environment and us. So there are 2 different flavors, that is aromatic mint and peppermint sparkle. I love to start and end my day with aromatic mint, and it comes in 2 sizes, that is 25 gram and also 50 gram. So you can pick up the one you prefer.
So if you guys are looking for a simple, effective at-home whitening solution, then go for it, man, go for it. This is absolutely your one-of-a-kind product, that is like Colgate Visible White O2 toothpaste. So go buy it. It is available in the online. I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Product link is there. It is also available in the offline. It is available in your nearby supermarket or in the hypermarket, wherever near to you. Okay. Don't forget to share your experience with the comments below, and hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching.